AI-9 Trunk Line Fusion Splicer. This is a high-quality, core alignment trunk line fusion splicer. Obtained multiple international certifications, 10 languages for choosing. Patented bench design, capable of bearing 100 kilograms. Smart design for fiber cleaving platform. Power on to enter working mode. Metal machine body, exquisitely crafted, compact and easy to carry. 2 charging ports, the battery can take out for charging. Equipped with patented Signalfire stripper. This is a function 8-in-1 fiber stripper. 3-in-1 fixture, no need for replacement. Fully automatic fusion, 300 times magnification. Ultra-low loss and stability, estimated splicing loss of 0.01 dB, making it a wise choice for trunk line fusion. Cover opened after fusion welding finished. Automatically turned on and off for preheating. Cooling rack can be closed or unfolded, and heated for 15 seconds. The Fusion Splicer comes with OPM and VFL function. Scan code to download mobile app. Bluetooth connection, enabling data exchange, upgrading and setting functions, etc. Craftsmanship spirit. Signalfire intelligent manufacturing.